today. It's me, Jordan. I'm back playing more Roblox. Hold on. The game's a little glitchy. Come on, come on. Okay, there we go. So, help. We need to build. We need to build as far as we can. As high as we can. What's this guy? 2 minutes. Help. Help me. Help me. I'm already messing up. Just gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. No. Come on, come on. Come on. I'm just gonna build. I wanna get to 11. What?
Jordan, your man isn't coming back.
What?
He's not coming back.
Where's he going?
I don't know if they're going out.
Oh my god. These guys are trying to trap me here. I'm just going up. I just need to build support and going up. Okay, we need to build up. I'll be right. No, a minute left. Come on. Nuh-uh. No. I can't. Sorry, I'm so slow. Just trying to rush here. I need all the support down here. No, I was this close to falling. Oh, this close. I don't want to see my teammates. No. I need to go higher. No. 15 seconds. No! I'm trapped in my own build right now. Just trying to get... No! No! Get me out of here! Did I really just do that? Did I really just do that? I just slipped. Okay. No.
Guess what?
What?
A month and 6 days until my birthday.
Cool. Wait, what month? Cat, what month? Oh my god. We need to run, brother. We have to run. Get out of here. Freeze. No. Phew, I was like this close to dying from him. No. Thank God. Thank God. Oh my god. This guy has wood build. This guy's serious? And I jumped on top of it. So dumb. Just move. Huh. Is that guy seriously gonna risk his life right now? I'm trying to save this noob, and he's going out here fighting like they are the they are the easiest things to kill. Oh my god. You're lucky I saved that guy's life. Boom. I'm going down there. Attack. Oh no. No. I have no hearts left. I'm dead. I am as dead as a pineapple. No, can I make it? Am I still alive? Still alive? Yay! I need to get all these. 2, 1. Boom. Da-da-da-da-da-da. 3 minutes. No. Inventory. Double delete it. I gotta use all this time to build. I'm not wasting any time right now. I'm just gonna build. Build as high and as far as we can. Oh my god. We need to scare this. This crazy build. This crazy build. Come on. Come on, people. Come on. We need to do this. Oh my god. I really want to get that stuff, but I really want to get. I'm on level 30 already? Wow. But 35. Not 30, 35. Oh my god, 2 minutes. Better run. I am not building with wood. No, dang it, you trapped me. You trapped me. You trapped me. You trapped me. Wait, this is the guy from earlier. This is the noob who only has wood. I'm building high. Height limit? Okay, good. I need a lot of protection. As I was saying, I need a lot of protection right now. Let me jump down. Up to height limit. Great. Let me just build my old build up to height limit. What is this noob doing? Okay. Fighting time. Let's do this. Oh my god. I'm so glad I'm with the crew. Better not fall off this thing.
Sophia!
Yay!
Sophia! Where are you?
Default.
Who just walked in?
Default Dan. Default Dan. Why? Default.
Jordan, is Isabella here?
What? Which Isabella?
Isabella.
I'm gonna end the video there. Okay. See you next time.